I inherited this dining room set from my grandparents. It's a really cool mid-century modern piece, but it had been reupholstered back in the 1990s. I didn't hate the fabric, but it was really stained and the seats weren't comfortable anymore since the padding had completely flattened over time. I knew I wanted to reupholster the chairs, but finding fabric was actually harder than I expected. I really miss Joann's, but eventually I found this beautiful fabric from a small Etsy shop called Threads and Thumbs and Things. To start, I removed the chair seats from the frames and I discovered this amazing gold fabric underneath. It was the original mid-century upholstery. That was a cool surprise. Then I used the seat shape to trace outlines into a 2-inch foam pad and cut them out. And then I repeated it 4 more times for each chair. My mom came over to help me attach the fabric, which was definitely needed because I only had a limited amount to work with and we couldn't miss up. We had to be very careful with how we cut it. We started by cutting it in half, and Camina was, of course, very involved in supervising. Then we cut each piece again into quarters. Next, we prepped everything for stapling. We added a bit more batting for extra cushioning, and Camina was once again supervising our process. Once we had Camina's approval, we pulled the fabric really tight and stapled starting from the center, working our way out. The corners were definitely the trickiest part to get taut. To finish things off, I used Restore Finish with ultrafine steel wool to freshen up the wood and bring back some of the original richness. And here's how the chairs turned out. They are so much more comfortable now, and they really transformed the dining room while still keeping a good vintage feel. And most importantly, Camina approves. Honestly, I think they're her chairs now, and she's already claimed her favorite one, and I don't think I'll be getting it back anytime soon.